Question number 11a, fx equal to x over x minus 1 for x between negative 10 and 10 and x not equal to 1. Diagram show the graph of y equal to fx. So use the diagram to explain why f is a function. So we have a vertical line here. Then we use a vertical line test. Okay. So we move from the negative 10 until 10. Okay, it's only touch one point on it. Okay, so using vertical line test, the line x equal to constant where negative 10 less than or equal to k and then less than or equal to 10. Okay, cut the curve in one point only. Okay, uh, less than equal. So this one less than equal. This sign I changed this one. Okay, and then find f(x). Give your answer in simplest form. So fx is this. So we have composite function. Okay, so we want to find the composite function. So fx is f x x minus 1, then x over x minus 1 over x over x minus 1 minus 1. So this one we multiply with x minus 1. And this whole thing also I multiply with x minus 1. Okay. Then what will we have will be the x over x minus 1. Then it's our x minus x plus 1. Then this will be x over 1. So it's equal to x. Okay. Using your answer to part 1, state the relationship between f and f inverse. So we have the fx is equal to x, and we know that f and then f inverse x is x, and the f inverse fx is x. So in this case, the f inverse of x is actually fx. Same. Okay. Valid. Okay. So f and f inverse of x are same. F is self inverse. And then explain how the diagram show the relationship between f and f inverse. So the curve is symmetrical about the line y equal to x. Okay, the curve is symmetrical about y equal to x. Okay, so we have this one y equal to x. This is y equal to x 10 10. And then we have this one into the negative 10 10 and 10 10. So it's refracted symmetrical about the line y equal to x, refracted in the line y equal to x. Okay, and then a function g is defined by gx is this. Find the range of g. Okay, so um gx x over x minus 1. So we have the g2 is 2 over 2 minus 1, which is 1. Okay. And then range. So if we have something like g of 100, a very big number, 100 over 100 minus 1. Okay, this is greater or equal to, this is 2. 2 over, wait, this is 2 over 1, which is 2. This is 100 over 99, almost equal to 1. Okay, but this is the asymptote now. So the gx can reach until 2, but the minimum is 1. Okay, next, the function h is defined by this. Find the largest possible domain. Okay, state the domain of h. So the 3x plus 1, okay, uh, cannot be 0. So the x cannot be negative 1 over 3. Okay, so this is the largest possible domain because we don't want to have 0 at the denominator. So this is the domain. Other than 0, other values all okay. So 3x plus 1 cannot be 0. So x cannot be negative 1 over 3.